Hello everyone, I'm just going to quickly outline to you what's changed in tweeterena 2.4. First of all, I'm going to show you a few of the extra features. So the look around me button in the nearby feature, that has been integrated into themes. I've tidied up the profile views and the dark themes, so the white lines that were showing up in the links button has gone. That's all integrated into dark themes. I've fixed a bug which caused the use twit longer option to display in portrait even when the device is in landscape. Fixed a bug which occasionally caused the tweet view screen to act unexpectedly when moving from landscape to portrait. Landscape has been drastically improved in 2.4. I fixed a bug which caused new tweets to highlight twice in a cell. So when you get a new tweet, in the old versions it used to highlight it twice for some reason. That's now fixed. It doesn't highlight twice, it's just a nice solid block of colour. Fixed a bug which caused tweets to disappear if the user highlighted them in the timeline view. That was a big problem in 2.3, but that has been fixed and that doesn't happen anymore. There's been a hint of grey added to the dark themes on the text. Instead of the white text, it's now got a very slight hint of grey on it, so it's still really visible, but it's not quite as harsh on the eyes. New direct messages also highlight. There's been a fixed bug which causes landscape view to sometimes act unexpectedly by adding extra bars, as I said. That's been landscape's drastically improved. Fixed a bug which meant users were unable to magnify to the beginning of their tweet during editing. That caused some problems with retweeting for some users. That now works fine. Big thing which I think a lot of people will be happy to hear: left hand controls are now optional and they are disabled by default. So in the tweet view, instead of having 4 buttons at the top as standard, that is optional. So some people liked it because they were left-handed. If you don't want it, it's not there, don't turn it on. All the highlighting, so when you get a new tweet, it highlights blue, any mentions highlight green, and any direct messages highlight in a dark orange. That is all optional, so I've made that optional in 2.4. If you don't like highlights, you can turn it off and it won't highlight anything. It's on as standard though. So if I go into the new tweeterena 2.4, sorry, it's back to front on the screen. Okay, this is it. Now, if I tap on tweet, this is our new landscape view. Right, there we are in portrait. I've got left-handed controls enabled at the moment, that's why you can see those 2 buttons. If I turn it sideways, there you go. You've now got all the functionality you've got in portrait in landscape. So all these buttons here, the twit pick one, the my tweets and everything else, is available now in landscape. So if I wanted to, for instance, add a Google map, I'll tap on locate. And there you go, it comes up with my options in the landscape view. I'll just cancel that because I don't want to do that now. Let me quickly show you this, getting rid of the left-handed controls, because I think a lot of people will probably like that. If I go into settings, so difficult doing this back to front. Settings, then I go into tweeterena, and then I'm going to scroll it down, and you'll see left-hand controls are on. I'll turn them off. They are off as standard, so when you do your fresh installer 2.4, they won't be there. Now if we go into tweeterena, you'll notice, oops, well, it's not going to let me send that because there's nothing there. But you'll notice the left-hand controls have gone. Turn that off. They're not there. And again, turn it into landscape, and they're not in landscape either. Landscape view is a lot more reliable. Oh, I can twist it all the way around. I can even go upside down. And you won't get any of those bars that pop up, but you used to in 2.3 and previous versions. So that's been landscape. I'm really happy with. I can pretty much say that's right up to scratch and works absolutely great. This is really the new feature that's been added in 2.4, and the new feature is, let me show you. and this is really good if you start to use it. There we are. Twitterena's bookmarklet. Twitterena's now got full bookmarklet support, and it gives you an option to install it on the next load. So if you want a bookmarklet putting on, for you to, so basically when you're in Safari, if you come across a website that you like, you can click on your bookmarks and tap post with Twitterena, and it will automatically send that website address to Twitterena and have it so you'll be able to post from the app itself. So there we are. I'm going to turn, it says install bookmarklet, install on next launch. So I turn it on and I go back. Now when I load Twitterena, it's going to install my bookmarklet for me because I've turned it on, and it will automatically do that. Okay, so Twitterena is going to load up, and the install bookmarklet features kicked in, and it's took me straight into Safari, and it's got me some instructions on how to install the bookmarklet. So this talks you through everything with pictures, how to do it, etc. But I'm just going to show you myself. So first of all, you tap on the plus symbol, you tap on add bookmark. You have to do this after you've told it to install the bookmark, and it goes to this page. There, it's come up with post with Twitterena. So I'm going to click save, and it's almost done. So next part's very easy. You tap on your bookmarks, and when you've tapped on your bookmarks, it comes up with your list. And you can see there, post with Twitterena is in there. So I'm going to tap on that, and now I just need to do a little bit of editing. So first of all, I tap on, sorry, ignore what I just said. You tap edit, then you tap on post with Twitterena. There you go. Now I need to edit this address, so I'm going to move my tap on the address itself underneath, move the pointer to where it needs to go, which is just before the question mark, and now I'm deleting. So you should end up with just JavaScript :window.location, etc. And that's done. So I've deleted that. Now let's see if it works. When I go into, where is it? A website. So I found a website I like the look of, which is this one. The Apple Web Apps website. And I think, well, hang on, I want to send this to my followers on Twitter. So I tap my bookmarks and I tap post with Twitterena. There you go. It's automatically gone out of Safari. It's loading up Twitterena. And when the Twitterena is loaded, it should automatically take that web address that I've just been looking at and put it into my post view screen. There you go. And it's automatically tiny URL'd it. So now I can type check out this new website, and there it is on there. I tap send, off it sends a tweet. I can tap the little button there, and it should load the website that I've just been in Safari. There you go, and all my followers can see that. So there you go, that's 2.4 in a nutshell. It's loads of stability and bug fixes. Landscape views have been drastically improved. Some extra options, left-hand controls are optional, and the option to install a bookmarklet has also been included in settings. Thank you very much. Bye.